everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making vanilla pudding. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. First, I'm going to put my sugar and cornstarch into my saucepan. I'm going to whisk this until it's fully combined. My stovetop is heated to medium-low. After it's combined, I'm going to add in some of the milk. Don't add in that much at this point because we want it to mix in with the dry ingredients so it becomes a fully combined paste before we add in the rest of the milk. I added a little too much milk that it won't be a paste, but it's still little enough that it will combine smoothly. This should help make sure the pudding doesn't become clumped together after it's done. After I add in the rest of the milk, I'm going to add in the egg yolks as well. It's important that after you do this, you don't stop whisking because you don't want the eggs to cook too quickly and become scrambled eggs. However, after whisking it a little to combine it, I'm going to use a wooden spoon instead because this will allow the temperature to remain consistent as we're mixing. Cook it until it's thickened and coats the spoon you're mixing with. It will still not be that thick, but that's okay because most of the thickening will happen as it cools. After it is thickened, I turned off my burner. Then add in the vanilla and the butter. I used vanilla bean powder, but you can use vanilla extract if you'd prefer. After you add in the butter, use your whisk to whisk it into the pudding so it melts and mixes equally throughout the pudding. Remove it immediately from the stovetop so it doesn't cook longer than necessary. You can put it into individual containers now if that's how you want to serve it, or you can keep it in a large container and scoop it out just like I did. Cover and let it cool for about 15 minutes before putting it into the refrigerator so you don't mess up your refrigerator temperature with something too hot. Keep it in the refrigerator for about an hour so it can thicken. Also, keep it in the fridge in general so it doesn't go bad. And my vanilla pudding is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!